Alright. We are back, ladies and gentlemen. We're running some sets with Big Bird. Big Bird, let's go, bro.
Who will bask in the glory and adoration?
Alright, let's go.
The world's greatest
Zangief, mir Comrades. Alright, let's go to Snowy Rail Yard, boy. Guys, ladies and gentlemen, it's been a rough morning. Had to reset the stream a few times because these people were lagging and there's nobody on. Alright, we're gonna run some sets with the Big Bird here. Let's go.
Get started. Fight! And with that, the fight is officially underway.
Ah, lag!
This fight will determine who. There's no stopping this fighter.
Ooh, nice kick, bro. Oh, I don't know why I did that. Ooh, nice.
Anything can happen now.
Oh, nice kick! My green hand won't come out! The lag. He snuffed it! Nice.
Is it the end?
Nice! Oh. GG's, man. He snuffed it. Oh, the lag. No! Did it crash? Oh my god, the game lost connection. Yeah, it lost connection, dude. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened.
Glory and adoration that comes with being declared the world's
It lost connection, bro.
Europe, Snowy Rail Yard.
Bro, it lost connection right in the middle of our match.
Are you ready?
Let's go.
Fight! The scales have tipped. The fight is underway. Which of these two challengers will walk away a champion?
Oh! Nice.
Anything can happen now.
Bro, the connection. Okay, okay. Nice jump, nice jump, nice jump. Good jump. Let's go. Let's go. Nice green hand.
What's next? The fight is underway.
Nice. Oh my! Ah, no, my super got snuffed. Bro. Alright, alright. Nice jump.
Incredible!
Nice. GG's.
Zangief wins! The craziest and wildest fighters have assembled from around the world to join in the fight. But only one will be declared the best. Europe, Snowy Rail Yard. The stage of battle is set.
Alright, let's bring on the sauce. Bring on the sauce! Alright, let's go. Oh, he's...
The first hit has been recorded. This is it.
Oh, the SPDs! Let's go, let's go. Okay.
Incredible technique! Incredible! I can't believe it!
Nice, nice. Alright. Come here, come here! Come on. Nice, green hand. Nice. Oh, no! Ah, the knees. GG's, bro. Getting the business right now. Let's go. Green hand. Nice. SPDs.
The fight has finally begun. Which one of these two will emerge? Well, now's your chance.
Come here.
comeback.
Oh, my super didn't come out.
This is going to end. There's no stopping this fighter.
Okay.
This attack could be the
Nice. Okay, let's go. Nice, nice.
So strong. Zangief wins.
Alright, let's go, let's go. I'm liking these sets, dude. Let's go.
Who will bask in the glory and adoration that comes with being declared the world's greatest fighter?
We'll have to do some sets on Street Fighter 5 too.
Fight locale chosen.
Alright, let's go. Ah, no start. Oh, he's going Mecha Zangief. Let's go. Ooh.
Too late. The fight is
Okay,
underway.
okay.
Each of these two challengers will walk this and turn it all around.
Okay, okay.
I'm almost ready to
Bro, it's lagging. Oh my god, this connection. It's lagging.
KO!
It started lagging.
And the battle continues.
Alright, let's go. Yeah, the lag, dude. It started lagging for some reason. The netcode, bro. But GG's, your Zangief is getting me.
Which one of these two will emerge now?
Oh my god, input.
Alright.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you can see the lag.
I've never seen a combo that intense. Use your opponent's power to your advantage.
Alright.
Watch closely. It's now or never.
I don't know why he did that. GG's, man. Let's keep going. I don't know why it's lagging, though.
Zangief wins.
Zangief is smoking me, bro. Alright. Let's go. My dude Heretikish, what's up? Running some sets with the Comrade right now.
Fighters have assembled from around the world to join in the fight. But only one will be declared the best.
Yeah, he's smoking me. He's doing really good. Yeah, definitely, dude. You're smoking me right now. I'm just having fun.
Billy Railgun. Fight locale chosen. The battle has begun.
Let's go.
Fight! First hit.
Oh my god, the lag. Oh my goodness, the lag. I shouldn't have jumped.
Supremacy has begun.
The lag, bro.
I hope you're ready.
Okay.
Is this it? No.
Oh, okay. Nice.
KO. And the battle continues. Fight! I think we're about to see something big.
Bro, the lag. What's going on?
This is it. The fight we've all been waiting for. Anything can happen. The fight is officially underway.
Nice. Heretikish, don't be trolling, bro.
What an attack!
Doesn't help with this lag neither, bro.
Is this it? Is it the end?
Bro, it's lagging.
Brace yourself for a major turn of events!
Bro, it's the lag, bro. Aye, the lag.
Zangief wins!
Yeah, the lag's really not helping right now. He wants to. Well, yeah, I could use some pointers, dude. Not gonna lie, I could always use pointers. But unfortunately, the lag does not help in our matches.
Survival of the fittest on a global scale.
But I'm having fun, dude. Your geek is really awesome. No, of course not Heretikish. I would love pointers from anybody. I love pointers.
Let's get started.
Alright. Here, let's back up for a minute, cause yeah, let's go.
This bout will determine who is the
Okay, I shouldn't have jumped right there. Ah! People on Xbox calling you Snake Eyes. Nice.
There's no stopping this.
Ah, the lag.
This could be the end.
Ooh, nice SPD. I shouldn't have jumped. No. No. Bro, the lag. No. No. I shouldn't have jumped. I shouldn't have jumped. GG's. Yeah, maybe. Well, the only problem on Xbox is that I don't have it upgraded to Ultra.
Fight! And there's the first hit. What's next? The fight is fun. One attack.
Ooh, nice.
Turn it all around.
It's just lagging. Bro, it's the lag, man.
Devastating attack coming up, no doubt about it.
Nice, nice. I like it. GG's, man. This is fun. We just having fun, bro. Let me ask you, Big Bird, are you on Wi-Fi, dude? Are you wired or are you on Wi-Fi? You wired? Good, 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 good.
The world's fiercest fighters await. Will you be the last warrior standing?
Yeah, he's pulling off combos I haven't even seen before, but he's doing some nice stuff. But honestly, it's just the lag is not helping between us, if I'm gonna be honest. I mean, not saying he's not doing some good stuff, but he's smoking me. I like it. You're an A? Yeah, dude, I like it. I could play on Xbox, but I would just have to upgrade it to Ultra because it's at Super right now. I have Ultra on Street Fighter 4 right now.
Are you ready? Fight!
Yeah! Nice. Oh, see, it's lagging.
This is it. The fight we've all been waiting for. Anything can happen now.
Come here. Come on.
I hope you're ready. Turn it all around. Is it the end?
Even without the lag? I don't know, dude. If it wasn't lagging, maybe it'd be a different story, but it's not exactly the best connection, man. Not gonna lie. Can't react in the lag. Not gonna lie. Nice kick!
What will happen now?
The kick!
Oh! The fight is underway. Pain! One rush! Watch closely! It's now or never!
Okay. Oh, my green hand didn't come out! Nice! Oh! Nice! Oh, the green hand! The green hand! Oh my god! Oh, nice! Dude! GG!
Zangief wins!
Oh my god, a fellow comrade! GG's, Comrade. Hold on, y'all. Dude, this is fun. This is fun. I'll have to upgrade it to Ultra on Xbox, and we can play on Xbox too. Dude, check out this man, Big Bird, man. This is fun.
Will you be the last warrior standing?
After that combo, your vision is clear. Dude, he's legit. He's a legit Zangief. Play on AE. What exactly is AE? On Xbox? Yeah, I do play on Xbox. I haven't busted it out in a while, but I'll have to upgrade it. Cause I only got super. Oh, lag. Arcade edition? Okay, we good.
Fight is underway. Which of these two challengers will have the
nice.
officially underway?
Nice. I cannot do green hand on this side.
I hope you're ready. The fear out there is tangible.
Oh, nice jump! I was gonna do it.
I'm almost ready to call this one.
Okay.
Now should one rush. Either one can take the round now.
Oh my god! It's so close. This is fun.
Let's keep it up.
So close.
Fight.
Oh, nice green hand. I gotta find out what the issue is. I can't do green hand from this side.
This is it. The fight we've all been waiting for. Anything can happen now.
Alright.
I hope you're ready.
Oh, my armor broke. Should've waited patiently. Ah, nice. Hang on, let me go check something real quick.
Zangief wins.
Alright, let's go. Let's go.
The curtain is raised on the world's most extreme fighting tournament. Who will walk away victorious?
Excuse me. Guys, hope you guys are enjoying the stream. This is fun. Yeah, Hereticus is a Akuma main, yup.
Billy Railgun. Your destiny will be determined here.
Alright, let's go.
Are you ready?
Dude, I'm glad to do mirror matches with friends. Lag.
This is the one we played here.
Nice, I should have expected the lariat. No.
Offense are off. Anything can happen now. Too late for a comeback.
Nice.
Offense are off.
No! Oh! Nice. Nice!
Either one can take the round now.
Excuse me. Ah.
Will the tide of battle turn? Fight! The first hit has been recorded. The fight has finally begun. Which one of these two?
Lag. Hereticus, you ain't no beginner, bro. Lag.
It's now or never! The world is holding its breath in anticipation!
Nice, wake up SPD.
Use your opponent's power to your advantage! This could be be the end. I think we're about to see something big.
Okay. I cannot do green hand from this side, bro. Nice. This is fun, dude.
Zangief wins.
Hereticus, why are you trolling, bro? You ain't no beginner.
On the world's most extreme fighting tournament. Who will walk away victorious?
I mean, if you want to say you suck because you haven't been playing it in a while, maybe.
Your destiny will be determined here. It's the battle of
Oh,
the
you want to run the scuba Zangief. Alright, let's go.
The scales have tipped. This fighter is in.
Oh, double green hand. Like it. Lag. Lag.
Could be the end.
Lag. Alright.
Pick up the pace. Fight! And with that, the fight is officially underway. I think we're about to see something big. The fighter isn't holding back.
Lag.
What power! Brace yourself for a major turn of events. Too late. Hurry up to now. Watch closely. It's now or never.
I was trying to. Oh my god, the lag, bro.
Is it
Jumps. Oh yeah.
Are you the
Protector of Russia's skies.
Oh wow, that was sick. That was actually sick. That was actually sick. That was actually sick. I've never seen that done. I've never seen that done. GG's. That was actually sick.
Zangief wins.
GG's. That was sick. I've never seen that done before. That was awesome. I did not know you could do that. I did not know you could do the super after doing that. That's epic. Not gonna lie, the lag is a little bit killer though.
The wildest fighters have assembled from around the world to join in the fight. But only one will be declared the best.
That combo only works on grapplers. Oh, that's interesting. Nice. It only works on grapplers. Wow, I did not know that. It's actually pretty interesting. Let's go.
Champion. Fight! First hit, the scales have tipped. Out like a light.
Aye.
The fear out there is tangible. Incredible. I can't believe it.
Come here.
This could turn it all around.
Aye, 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 the lag.
Now's your chance. No one could have seen that coming. Oh,
So strong.
will the tide of battle turn? Fight! The first hit has been recorded. There's a devastating attack coming up, no doubt about it! The world is holding its breath in anticipation! A devastating attack! There's no stopping this fighter!
Too late.
Overhead.
We are never going to forget this affair!
And I'm stunned. Hey! I didn't mean to do that.
What a rush!
Oh my, bro, the lag, bro. What is this game doing? Ah, nice. Alright. GG's.
Zangief wins.
Yeah, good games, dude. I just hate that the connection is not the best. But hey, GG's. We're doing some epic sets, guys. Epic Zangief mirror matches.
The craziest and wildest fighters have assembled from around the world to join in the fight. But only one will be declared the best. Europe, Snowy Railgun. Your destiny will be determined here.
Alright, let's go.
Who will emerge?
Oh, he's running the wild outfit noise.
How long will this go on? I've never seen a combo that intense.
Lag.
Will this gambit work?
Oh my god, it messed up. Oh, no, jump. Ah, I hate that it's... Ah! What's up, Heretikish? I know. I'm just having fun, bro. And it doesn't help that it's lagging like every 10 seconds. It really doesn't, but it's still fun matches.
Pick up the pace. Fight! And there's the first hit. What's next? This bout will either that we're about to see something big.
That was supposed to be bear grab.
Too late.
This is going to end in violence. This could be the end.
Bro, the fuzzies in this game are ridiculous.
Where did that come from?
Okay. I'm not good, just wanna be stacked. Well, you know what, Heretikish, I'm sad that they actually are gonna keep Akuma out at least till the first or second wave of DLC. I actually feel bad. I feel bad. I literally feel bad for you. I kinda saw it coming. Yeah, the CFN does suck, but hopefully with the netcode in Street Fighter 6 will be a whole lot better. Yeah, the netcode on this game sucks too. Yeah. Alright, we'll do like one or two more and then I'll call it there. But we're having some good matches. I'm really having fun. The dude Big Bird is really one of the best Zangiefs I've seen and faced. GG's, man. These are good sets. Unfortunately, the connection's not the best, but hey, these are some good matches. You're not playing Street Fighter 6 until Akuma comes out. I feel you, dude. If Zangief wasn't in Street Fighter 6 on launch, I would be sad too. I'm not gonna lie.
This is it. We've all been waiting for.
Nice. Green hand was a little too early. Nice. When you want to get on Street, are you talking to Heretikish or are you talking to me on Street Fighter 5? Oh, sorry about that. Connection is controller issues. Me? We could probably get on later if you want.
Turn it all around.
Nice. He's gonna come in with green hand. Jump. Ah, you got me. Nice. We can get on later because I'm gonna have to get off in a minute. I've been on Street Fighter 4 and then 5. It hasn't been the best in the morning, so I might be on later. If not, I'll definitely be back on tomorrow after I get home from work. If I have energy later, I'll be back on, but if I'm not, I'll be on definitely after work. Play Ken and Smurf around. Oh my god, you're gonna be a Ken and Smurf. Don't do it, Heretikish. Don't do it, Heretikish. Don't be a Smurf. I literally can't do green hand from this side, bro. Nice. Nice. Well, I told you, Heretikish, that, you know, I think Ken is up your alley because he plays pretty much almost like Akuma, so you do Smurf around with Akuma. You smurf around with Akuma. GG's, yes, Big Bird, you're awesome. You know, I think if you don't play Ken, you'll probably be good with Luke.
That comes with being declared the world's greatest fighter.
I think you should go with Ken or Luke. But don't forget, like in Street Fighter 6, you're gonna have to do 10 placement matches before you get placed in a rank. So you might start off as Diamond or Platinum. You hate Luke and Ken both.
Europe, Billy Railgun. The stage of battle is set.
I never hated Ken, I just hate people that just like... What's the word I'm looking for? That, or...
Fight!
The Ken...
First hit, the scale tilted.
You'll play bad intentionally.
This is the one
Don't play bad intentionally, man. Just go for it.
supremacy has begun.
Ah, broke my armor.
Pressure on. Anything can happen now.
Nice. Nice. I did. I wasn't even supposed to be Lariat. That was supposed to be... No! That was... You know it's a Shoto thing. Oh my god. It's a Shoto thing. Well, let me tell you, Heretikish, I'm gonna be definitely... You already know I'm gonna be playing Zangief, but I'm definitely gonna be playing Ryu and JP.
Pick up the pace. Fight! The first hit has been recorded.
Nice.
The fight is
Oh, that was actually... That was,
one of these two.
wow, I can't believe it reached me from that angle. Okay, okay.
No one could walk away from that.
Who do you... But, Heretikish, who do you main instead of Akuma? Like, is there anybody else you played in Street Fighter 5 other than Akuma?
Zangief
You'll smurf
wins.
around. Well, I mean... I don't think I'm gonna jump in a rank in Street Fighter 6. Kage? Oh yeah, I forgot you do play Kage. I'll battle you in Street Fighter 5 later on if I'm on, and then if I'm not on later, I'll battle you in, I'll battle you tomorrow after work. Heretikish, I can stream it if you guys wanna... I can stream even Heretikish if you guys wanna play right now.
Destination
If you want.
confirmed. The battle has begun.
Unfortunately, his connection might not be the best because he's kind of long distance, so I don't know how the connection will last between you guys.
The fight has finally begun. Which one of these two will emerge on top?
Oh, the SPDs.
A counter.
I gotta stop doing that.
No one can see
Nice.
that coming. The fear out there is tangible.
Oh, no.
K.O.
I gotta stop doing that. I'm uploading walkthroughs. Yeah, we can do it later on if I'm on or tomorrow. If you guys are game tomorrow. But yeah, me and you, Big Bird. If I'm not on later, we can definitely battle on Street Fighter 5.
What power!
Do some Zangief new matches.
The fight we've all been waiting for.
I literally gotta stop doing that. The jumps in this game are ferocious. Oh my goodness, now it's starting to get laggy. Ay, ay, ay. Alright, let's go.
Devastating attack coming up, no doubt about it.
Too late.
Dropping 5 walkthroughs within 24 hours. Yeah, go for it, dude. Big Bird, GG's. Zangief is very tough.
Zangief wins.
Very tough Zangief. I'm getting smoked almost every match. But guys, this man Big Bird, look at his Zangief. He's straight ferocious, bro. Good games. All right, we could do like 2 more. Unfortunately the connection's like laggy between us. I don't know why. It sucks. Oh shoot, I didn't want to do that.
But only one will be declared the best.
I don't know why it's lagging like that. See, the thing I'm thinking about right now is I don't know if I want to get Street Fighter 6 on PS5 or Xbox. I mean, it kind of doesn't matter, but I got friends on both systems. It just kind of like you being anyone on Xbox can use them. Okay. Yeah, I really don't know if I want to get Street Fighter 6 on Xbox or PS5 right now. I got friends on both systems, and it's cross-play, but still, it's like I want to play it on system. Nice. I literally got to stop doing that. I was blocking.
Could be the end. The fear out there is tangible.
Ah, I shouldn't have done that. Nice.
Pick up the pace. Fight! There's the first hit. What's next? I think we're about to see something big.
Oh, now Greenhand wants to come out. Oh, come on, man, the lag. Jumps. Nice. Okay, that really wasn't supposed to be a jump. Jeez Louise, man. And I can't move. I can't. Okay, now I can move. I don't know why I did that.
Will this gambit work?
That was supposed to be bear grab. No. Oh! Oh! Did I do green hand too? Oh my goodness. Ah, the connection. Ah, freaking A, man. Big Bird, GG's, man. Your Zangief is awesome. Your Zangief is very awesome. One more. We could do one more. Guys, these are some fun sets. If the connection was better, oh my god, it would be better. But I'm sorry it's lagging right now. I don't know why it's lagging. It's probably the net code. Let's go, bro. Let's go. One more. I'm gonna try to get on later, but if I'm not, we'll definitely go tomorrow after work. Cause, hang on, Big Bird, before we fight, what are you on the East Coast or are you West Coast? Let it rock for a minute. Are you East Coast or West Coast?
I am the Red Cyclone.
You're not sure. What time is it for you right now? Cause it's going on. It's 9:52 right now for. Okay. Oh, hold on. What time is it for you? What time is it for you right now? It's 9:52 for me right now. What time is it for you?
Neither one can get the upper hand.
You're East Coast. So 3 o'clock when I get home from work, it'll be 6 o'clock for you. So if you're on, we could play then. Just wanna yeah, we have a 3-hour difference or 2-hour difference. Excuse me. Yeah, you got a 2-hour difference. All right, let's fight. Let's go.
The fight is officially underway.
Yeah, if it's 3 o'clock, I get home at 3, so it'll be 5 o'clock for you. Yeah. The lag. You know what? Maybe I'll upgrade it and see how it is on Xbox. I can do that later. See how it feels on Xbox. Nice. I don't even care that I'm getting smoked. We're just having fun. It's always nice to meet a fellow Zangief. Ooh, he starts off with a green hand. That was supposed to be SPD.
The fight has finally begun. Let's draw. Anything can happen now.
Nice. Yeah. We're having. Oh, nice. Oh, I got completely wrecked. GG's, bro. GG's. Having so much fun. All right, I'm gonna call it right there, bro. Very fun. Let me add you on your PSN. I don't think I have you on Xbox either. Put it in the comments right there. This is your PSN, but I need your Xbox. Is your Xbox the same? I gotta add you. I'm gonna send you a friend request. Let me send you a friend request real quick. Put your Xbox tag in the chat real quick. Same way? Okay. Let me send you a friend request on PSN real quick. But guys, you love your editing team, dude. I'm glad they're doing a good job for you. Your walkthroughs are pretty lit. All right, I'm gonna send you a friend request real quick. Hold on a second. Because I need to add you on PSN. Hang on real quick. That way I can see if you're on and if you ever want to play. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the sets. I got smoked. We were having too much fun. But his Zangief is straight fun. Alright, found you. Alright, I sent you a friend request on PSN and I'm gonna send you one on Xbox. Yeah, it's very good sets. You still need to practice. Oh, dude. Dude, I think we're all just ready for Street Fighter 6. Yes, these are very fun sets. Dude. Oh, those were so tough. I just wish the connection was better. That was fun. That was so fun. You're gonna be on Street Fighter 5 in a battle lounge? Okay, well, let me see what time it is. I'm actually gonna have to get off. I have to do a few things, but yes, dude. You got a YouTube as well if you... Yes, guys. Check him out on YouTube. My bro Heretikish has a YouTube by the same name. My boy Big Bird that I just played against. Very fun. He's an excellent Zangief player. Oh my god, that was incredible. I just wish the connection wasn't laggy, but man, those are fun sets. Those were fun. That was incredible. Love the Zangief action. Combos I've never even seen done before. I love it. I love it. Let me go back on my comments real quick because I need to look at your Xbox request real quick. Okay, I'm gonna send you one on Xbox real quick too. Let me hopefully I'll be able to get the Xbox X or a PS5 at the end of January, but we'll see. But fun sets, guys, check out this man. He's incredible. Very fun. Let me look real quick because I can't find you on Xbox. I think I did it wrong. Let me look. Okay, wow, there's actually quite a few names with the... Wow, there's a lot of accounts with the same picture. What in the world? Big Bird, I see one with Alejandro Negrete SR. Is that you? I actually see a few. And then I got a KLDR Big Bird with the number 1899. Which one is you? Oh, that one's you? Okay, I'll send you a friend request. Alright, I added you. Mine is Bashbone if you see that. I just sent you a message on Xbox. Let me know if you got it. Let me know if you got it. My name is Bashbone, and you just got a message from me. That's called. Yeah, I'm probably gonna change it when I get my gamer tag when I get Xbox Series X or something. Did you get a message on Xbox? Once again, I want to thank everybody for tuning in. This has been very fun sets with my friend Big Bird right now. Excellent Zangief player. Very excellent. Combos I've never seen before. So fun. Very fun. I just wish the blasted connection is not good today, but hopefully I'll be on later and we can run some sets on Street Fighter V later. Very fun. Nice. Alright. Well guys, I'm gonna call it right here. Big Bird, you wanna do one more? You wanna do one more? Or are you good? You wanna do one more or are you good? Yeah, let's go one more time. We can go one more time. For the one time, for the one time.
The curtain is raised on the world's most extreme
Do it for the
fighting
peeps, do it for the
tournament.
peeps.
Who will walk away victorious?
Alright, one last set, guys. And then I'm gonna get out of here. Very fun sets.
Europe, Billy Railgun. Fight locale.
Yeah, if you fight my bro Heretikus, he's long distance, so I hope the connection is good between you guys.
Fight!
I gotta stop doing that.
This is it.
Nice.
To your advantage. What an attack!
Ah, lag.
Offense are on. Anything can happen now.
Oh, he broke my armor. He broke my armor. Oh. Ah.
And the battle continues. Fight!
Oh, I jumped right behind him.
This bout will determine who is the strongest once and for all.
Nice.
The fear out there is tangible.
Nice, nice. Green hand did not come out.
It ain't over till it's over. This attack could be the last. In the battle of endurance, last one standing wins.
Ooh.
KO!
Dang, it was starting to lag at the end a little bit right there. You moving away from fighting games? Yeah. Hopefully Street Fighter 6, the netcode will be better, bro.
Fight! The first hit has been recorded.
Ah. Nice jump.
Absolutely! It's now!
Oh, I tried to grab. My kick didn't come out. Nice.
Absolutely! It's now or never!
The jump. Oh my god. Nice, nice, nice. Love it. GG's, GG's. GG's, man. GG's.
Zangief wins!
Yep, GG's, man. Hopefully it'll be better in Street Fighter 6. The connection is sucky today. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it right here. GG's to my boy Big Bird. Dude, that was fun. That was fun. Hopefully the net could be better the next time we play. Very nice combos. I've never seen some of those before, but dude, we had some fun sets. I like it. Guys, if you enjoyed the content, please hit that follow button. It helps the channel, motivates me to play more. I love playing with my friends here. Unfortunately, the connection was sucky today. But yeah, the extreme sets. I love it. And you take care. Big Bird. Yeah, everybody, thank you for tuning in. I hope you all enjoyed. And let me see, I'll go and raid somebody right now. Let me see who we're gonna raid. Alright, hang on guys, I'm gonna send you over to... Let's see who we're gonna raid. You know what, I'll send you guys over to Red Line. So, please stick around. I'm gonna send you guys to him. I am CFN Bash, and I thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed, and we'll have to play again, most definitely. But all right, guys, send you over to Red Line. Thank you all for watching and tuning in. You all stay safe and have a great Sunday. Peace out, guys. Actually, nope. Still got a few more seconds. Alright, you guys take care. Gonna send you to Red Line. Stay safe, y'all. Peace.